Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's USTC Terra USDT. Looking pretty good, it's doing some amazing pumps to the upside right now. We talked about this one yesterday, and a very quick recap is the following right now that, just going to go along with this one with you once again. And we had a very big downtrend, very big slide to the downside, and then we finally had that big huge green candle that is pretty much a breakout to the upside. And one thing that I didn't talk about though is that I just wanted to see how the volume looks like. So yeah, it's a pretty decent volume. It's just the same volume as this candle here, that green candle, and the volume that you see down there is almost the same as this green candle that happened 2 days ago, and you do have that green candle right now. So they're pretty much the same. The difference is that this had a pump to resistance, but this one had pump to breakout. So that's the difference right now. To me personally, I just want to say that I want to see a proper retest of the trend line at the moment. Okay, actually it's important to bring in the RSI as well. I haven't talked about the RSI in a long time. Now there are things to talk about in this update, and that is, number one is, if you do look at the RSI, if you bring this trend line right here, all right, I'm just going to go through this one with you. If you do bring that trend line, it seems like, yeah, it's a very clear breakout. Okay, don't get me wrong, very clear breakout, amazing breakout. But then again, there could be a range trap. So the range trap is that this could actually just come to the range of this upper wick up here and create another new channel, and continue the downtrend, like go down like this, go up, make that resistance up here, and then go down again like this and try to come up, and you could have this upper part of this line that I just draw, this resistance up here, being the new range of resistance actually. Okay, so they actually do this, they do trap people. You gotta be careful on this one. It's gonna be tricky, but yeah, it's still, nonetheless, this is still a breakout. The only way to trade this USTC is gonna be that it comes down here, touch this line at 0.022. You want to see a bullish candlestick down at this line over here, and it would be an amazing opportunity to enter and trade. Who knows? And just as I said yesterday, can come down, make a double bottom, and start to move up like this, and that's the end of it. This could be the final dump to the downside for USDC. And that's pretty much it for this update on USDC. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.